So always, are you here or are you there? All right? So in your mind, you're always trying to dance on one foot. One foot. Right. Okay? All right. 2, 3, point second. Are you ready? 1, 2, plie to the left and right, left, right on the left, and 1, 2 on the left. Now make one more tournier to the right. Stay here, stay here. Now let's go to the left. Plie, and tournier, and one more tournier. Stay here, and just go, rest. Yeah, okay, okay, all right. So the main thing, again, is that we don't see the step unless you show the position. And by that I mean, because some of you, you're not really there. On one, you have to show this. You see, you have to show the fondu. Then the next thing, when you make the piqué, just point this foot. Then step on it again, and already you're opening that one into second. So this is really challenging for most of you because you don't have that much turnout, right? But you try to use what you have, okay? So the thing, yeah. Are you there? Yeah, the one. Okay.